Oh, you're so sweet.
Hello.
How you doing?
Pretty good. You guys are having fun?
Yeah. Did you check out the haunted house?
We're just headed that way.
Oh boy, it's spooky. Like legit spooky.
Are you gonna give me some candy? Is that what you're trying to do? No, that's fine.
That's your candy, kid.
No, you're doing it the other way.
I know. Doling it out on the way out, Charity.
All right.
Hey, hurry up.
Yeah. Let's go.
Now there's noisy on my ear.
I know. This is a noisy house here.
It's Kaniva.
You see Kaniva?
I don't
Hello. Now here's the real haunted house, you guys. Are you scared, Emma? Are you scared?
It's no use to plead, though it would give them glee as you suffer the horrors of their stealing spree. If they hear you are near, there'll be trouble, my dears. You will come face to face with the worst of your fears.
Hey, you guys. Guys, you're going the wrong way.
We have to do it again. Keep saying backwards a little bit.
They're going backwards. You gotta go this way. I just saw the arrows. Hello. Wow. Look at how spooky, Emma. Is this your place? Oh, they did quite a job. You gotta really give them credit. That's cool. All right. Whoa.
Step right up. The voice shall have an hour inside with the prize.
You want to see me juggle? I am particularly good at juggling now, but I'm gonna need you to stand a little closer. Well, if you aren't gonna play with me, then you can just run along. Mr. Moldy has better things to do. No, not much.
Hello again. I almost didn't recognize you. You've got some different. Wake up, wake.
Let's put a smile on that face of yours. Either way works for me.
Did you miss me?
Long Pennywise dancing clown.
Oh my God. Graveyard.
A gypsy woman said I'd be burying 4 bodies tonight. I've buried 3 bodies so far. I wonder. I'll get the whole dog and then we'll just see who gets to lay in it. Be careful where you tread. Some buried folks don't stay buried and are likely to grab you around the ankle and pull you down with them.
Oh my God. Ah!
Just lay there with me. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine. You best be careful where you tread on this dark night. You don't know who you will run into. The creatures and creepy crawlies lurk out from every shadow. Why, I was just hiding in your closet with the other skeletons. Perhaps we let them all out for some fun. Death warmed over, my friend. This is good. Soon there will be nothing.
Oh my God, we're
You must be professionals. No. Oh.
Back in the day when he was in Hollywood, he did a lot of this. But this is the first year of this.
Oh, wow. I mean, mean, this is something I wouldn't have expected. It's like
It's really amazing.
a 9.9 out of a 10.
Oh, mine are looking for you.
Oh, hey there. How's it? Where is it? Where are those
They
guys?
should be over there.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe they're...
I lost track of them because I was trying to check out every single one of these things.